Hey guys, VE3CNU here, guys and girls I should say. Gonna show you what's in the box when you buy an FTdx1200. You can see I'm all set up for my weekend. Some good Canadian beer. Big football weekend, but I'd rather play with radios. So, here we go. Box inside a box. That seems to be standard these days. They do not make it easy to lift out. Should we start over again? All right. The box inside the box. If there's another box in here, oh my God. There's another box in here. All right, back to the floor. I think I've spent a lot of money here on pulp and paper products. Should we start this video over again? Jesus. You know, this is like those Russian eggs. It's just going to be one box until I get down to something this big. There'll be a handheld in here. Okay, there's the manual, a Yaesu map, the standard issue, and a sticker. Here is the MH31B8 microphone. So just a quick gander at that. So it has down, fast, and up buttons, and a button on the back, I guess, to turn off those buttons. Mic clip holder. The radio is now inside here, so let me carefully lift this out and put it over here a sec. Anything else? Okay. There's the radio. So let's try and find where to open it. Sorry, this is taking so long. But you don't want to ruin your packaging. There she be. Beauty. She's got the plastic on the front here and the plastic, protective plastic still on that. There's a note here, an addendum of some sort about the operation of the new automatic spectrum scope control. So I guess there's been some confusion about that because this radio is a little different than the 3000 in that the scope is not always updating. It will update when you tune. It will update when you press a button to do a trace, And there's also a timer in the menus to tell it how often to do a scan, but it's more like once every 45 seconds or something. It's not a live scope like you see on some of the other radios. So let's get this baby in the shack and plugged in, and see the next best part. So in here looks like just power cord. I also opted to buy, and I recommend everybody who buys one of these radios is to get the optional FFT1 card that users can open up the bottom here and install this. I'll try and make a video about doing that, how to do that, and it gives you some nice new goodies. That's this part of the video. Stay tuned. Don't go away.